What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video is going to be a bit different. I just quickly want to show you guys something. If you own a Jeep JK 3.6, 3.8, they all have the same issue where they overheat, and that's not good. And I've been battling this since 3 years ago already. I replaced radiators, I had a custom radiator build, I've replaced thermostats, I did coolant flush, I've got vacuum tools to refill the coolant. I've taken out my heater core, which is sitting right there. I've done a lot of stuff. So guys, I can't tell you that this is your issue, but trust me, it's the cheapest thing and probably something that you don't think of doing. This is a Jeep Radiator Cap, and you can see that the rubbers are just breaking off. It is hard and useless, very expensive. This is almost what it should be like. It should be like very rubbery. I believe this is neoprene, but the thing with the Jeep is it's got this inner seal as well, which most caps don't have. So I bought a whole lot of this, and the solution to this all is this bad boy. So pretty awesome radiator cap, quite difficult to take it off with one hand. Okay, nonetheless, here it is. So it's got this little tab. If you pull on it, it just basically pulls that side in, and there you have it guys. This one, I've tested it, it works phenomenal and it solved all my issues. So what I do for you guys is search in the description, link down below, buy that Amazon. It's really cheap and it really helps a lot, so you can do that. So that's it guys, that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the like button as well. Cheers.